Hey, my beautiful people. So, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Today, we are going to plan out October the 25th through the 31st. And yes, this is Halloween week, and I know I'm a little late. Today, we are watching Park and Rec because this show is so good, y'all. So, we're starting in our fall sticker book from Happy Planner from last year. And this sticker right here says, let me get my planner real quick. Sorry, y'all hear all the stuff falling in the background. It says autumn leaves, cozy, pumpkin spice, boots, flannel, apple spice, harvest, pine cones, and gratitude. And then the other sticker just says trick or treat because it was Halloween day. And the other sticker says, I've got too many candles, said no one ever. Which is so true, y'all. Like, you probably can't have too many candles, but I mean, they're candles. They're candles. Your house always can smell good. You can have a different scent every day of the week. Never too many candles. So this next one is just a reminder for me to order some candy for Halloween. And if I can, because I have like those ebook things, I can just find like a cool little Halloween book to read. It says Boo Your Neighbors and Trick or Treat. I love the Boo Your Neighbors. That's so cute. We thought about like playing some Halloween music at our door, but I didn't know how that was gonna work, and I didn't know if it was gonna rain and all that good stuff, so we didn't do any of that. And then I was like trying to make it as Halloween themed as possible with this sticker book. So I was like trying to find all like the pumpkins I could find and like the things that kind of say fall and cozy, because around Halloween is when we normally get like really cold weather, like fall like weather here in my city. And it happened a little bit earlier than Halloween, which I was shocked because I'm like, I'm ready to wear summer clothes until literally Halloween day, because every year on Halloween day is when it gets severely cold. And it got cold early. And also I ordered this new sticker book from Michaels because I was like, it's not like I don't have enough Halloween stickers. Like, it's not giving me what I really planned in my head. I was like, I need more stickers. And I'm out of ink in my printer, so I couldn't just like buy a sticker kit off of Etsy like I normally do to kind of round it off. So I went and bought a new sticker book, and I'm just flipping through it so you guys can see what's in the sticker book, because I feel like it's some great little stuff in there for like Thanksgiving and the rest of fall. And then they had these ghosts, which I was like, that is so cute, because my other sticker book didn't really have ghosts in it. So this will be my second year using the fall sticker book to plan out Halloween. And I had a few little things in there, but I was like, really, I needed this new sticker book. It really helped round off, the Halloween theme, and kind of gave it like a spooky Halloween vibe. Other than, just throwing in a lot of fall stuff, which was in that first book. And they had ghosts, so I will have ghosts again for next year. Pretty sure I'm probably going to pick up another sticker book, but I'll at least have enough ghosts to do my Halloween themed for next year. And if I want to put them on like just my October theme, the calendar theme, I can, because I have enough ghosts in this book to do so. I thought that was extra cool. Y'all know how I feel about not having enough stickers for Monday through Sunday, or Sunday through Saturday, however you put it. But yeah, I was like, this really brought my whole spread out. It made it 10 times better. I just love, like, this book really helped me out, and it had really pretty colors. And I was super excited about this, and it made me very much into the Halloween spirit. And I was super excited for people to come and trick or treat at our door, because we'd never done that before. But since we were at home, I was like, the least we can do is pass out candy. So that was fun, y'all. So this is our spread. Oh my God. What do you guys think? I'm not starting over. What do you guys think? Do you like it? What did your Halloween spread look like? I would love to see that. So tag me in it on Instagram. My Instagram name is Ashley Dominique Plans, just like this channel. Until next time, peace out. Much love and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.